Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2, how to install your LED bars on your HUMMER. These are 7-inch LED bars. If you have a grill on your HUMMER, then it's very easy to install it. What if you don't have it? Then how you can install these LED bars, and they look very decent and very nice, and it's not hard to do it at all. Let me show you how I did it. And the LED bars are right behind this grill. They are very secure. What I have done is I use the wire. You can use a clamp. I tied it really tight on these. One on this side, one on this side. And the same thing on this LED bar. And if we turn it on, this is how it looks in the front. It's hard to spot it, and it's going to fit right in here. And what we're going to do when we're going to install it, these gonna go inside like this. Once we put this one in, and it will snap in, it's not going to go nowhere. And you see it snaps in from this side. It's looking really nice. And let me show you how the wiring is done inside. So this is how it looks from inside. When you receive the LED bar, they come with the cable like this, open wiring. And I bought cable harness. I use the connector on this side. The other side of connector, wiring from here, and I cut it open here, and I use that connector right here. And now we're going to plug it in. Inside the HUMMER, this is the switch. When we're going to turn it on, it will light up. That's for the bars. And this is the wiring. So that's gonna stay here. It's not going to move at all. And the other side, this is the other LED bar, and we put the wiring right here. So it's nicely secure. This is the broad daylight, and look at how beautiful LED bar looks on HUMMER. That's the easiest way to do it if you don't have the grill. I hope it gives you some kind of idea how to install LED bar on your HUMMER. If you like this video, like always, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.